Hi friends, it's Martha. Oogie Boogie Bash is just around the corner and I've got 8 essential tips to help you with your planning. I'll be there on opening night with even more tips and tricks, so be sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Now let's get started. Tip number 1, plan ahead. This event is busy and fast-paced, so it's essential to start planning now. You don't want to miss out on trick-or-treat trails, character meet and greets, and even the parade. Tip number 2, plan your costume carefully to adhere to Disney guidelines. Remember that adult costumes should never cover the entire face. You can find the Disney costume rules in the description below. Tip number 3, arrive early to maximize your experience. This event starts at 6 p.m., but you can enter Disney California Adventure Park as early as 3 p.m. Special event merchandise like ears, backpacks, and spirit jerseys sell out really fast, so take advantage of those extra hours. Tip number 4, grab a guide map. It will help you navigate the park and locate all the spooktacular experiences. The parade, Mickey's trick-or-treat party, Villains Grove, and character meet and greets can all have really long lines. There is no way to get it all done, so make a plan so you can catch your favorite characters. Tip number 5, place your mobile food orders when you arrive at the park. Mobile food order times and special event only treats run out quickly, and you don't want to miss out. Tip number 6, the trick-or-treat trails. The lines for the treat trails move fast. Be sure to have your treat bags open and your cameras ready. Each trail has multiple candy stations, so consider a backup bag for candy overflow. And yes, allergy-friendly options are available. Tip number 7, don't forget Disney Photo Pass is free during the party from 6 p.m. till 11 p.m. Don't miss out on photos with your favorite characters. Tip number 8, one of the highlights of Oogie Boogie Bash is the Frightfully Fun Parade, which is packed with your favorite Disney villains and spooky characters. The parade has 2 show times, 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. The parade starts near Paradise Garden Park and makes its way through Hollywoodland. Arrive early to get a good spot and a great view. Well, that's my 8 tips for Oogie Boogie Bash. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be there on opening night dressed as, well, you'll recognize me when you see me. Have a frightfully fun time, and I will see you at Oogie Boogie Bash. Okay, bye!